Okay, this will be quick, I promise. But week 6, a few days after your event, if that's how it lands, is you want to send another thank you email. You're reiterating the offer that you have and that it's expiring, maybe expires today, expires tomorrow. And then if you have a expiration date on your recording, you want to make sure you're reiterating that. And anything else that's urgent. So this is a less of a thank you, more of, okay, get in this offer, do this thing, join us, bye, bye, bye. The second hit really can reach someone that might not have reacted initially, put it off, and then realize, oh my God, crap, this is the last day. I need to take them up on this offer. And then that's it. Thank you so much. This was a lot of work, and you should feel really proud of yourself. You did it. You made it. And be sure to schedule a free consultation with me. The link is on the last page, page 78. I'd love to ask you about your event, what you did, how it went, and just learn about what you've got going on in your world. I'm so curious. So get on my calendar. I would love to hear from you. Thanks again, and enjoy. Bye.